Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by diagnosing the problem with the Macbook camera step by step. Check your Mac model and built-in camera resolution. Many older models use 720p. Open Photo Booth or FaceTime and test the camera to confirm whether the problem is system-wide. Verify camera privacy settings in System Settings and allow the active app to use the camera. Restart your Mac after changing permissions and testing again. Stand 3 to 4 feet from the camera to see how distance affects focus and exposure. Improve image quality by addressing lighting and lens cleanliness directly. Clean the lens gently with a microfiber cloth to remove fingerprints and smudges that lower sharpness. Use soft front lighting and avoid strong backlight to improve exposure, contrast, and color. Position a soft LED light at eye level about 18 to 24 inches from your face for balanced illumination. Use a reflector or white surface to fill shadows and adjust room lights to a warmer or cooler tone as needed. Fix software and consider hardware alternatives to restore camera quality quickly. Update Mac OS and the apps that use the camera to ensure drivers and permissions are current. If built-in quality is limited, use continuity camera with an iPhone or plug in a USB-C external webcam at 1080p 30 fps for clearer video. Reset NVRAM or SMC if the camera still fails after updates and restarts to resolve low-level hardware conflicts. If problems persist, schedule service with Apple if your Mac has a defective camera module.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.